How to add your credit card to Credit Karma. So if you want to add your credit card to your Credit Karma, you can either do it from your mobile phone or you can also use your browser. Either way, the procedure is similar. So I'm going to show you how you can actually add your credit card from your web browser. So before we begin, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, and then you can open up any of your web browser of your choice. And as for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in the creditkarma.com. And once you enter creditkarma.com, you will have this kind of interface. First thing to make sure is to log into your account. So simply click on login and make sure to log into your account. On the left hand side of your screen, you will have your email password. So simply enter the email and password on the blanks and go for login and log into your account. Or you can also scan this QR code from your mobile device in order to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, in the top right corner of your screen, click on the profile icon. As you can click on the profile icon, you'll be able to see the multiple options. So from the list, you need to click on the account settings. Now after that, once again, a pop-up appears, and under account settings, you need to simply select link bank account. After that, select continue on the screen, and after that, select continue on the screen. Inform you that this will replace the account linked to the Credit Karma. After that, you'll be asked to enter in your new debit card information. Type in your debit card information. That includes entering your card number, name, and then the CVV or Social Security number. Once you've done entering the information, click on the continue button, and the next interface will be asked to recheck the information. And if you're sure about it, just click on confirm button, and then you have successfully added your credit card to your Credit Karma account. So in this way, you can add your credit card to your Credit Karma. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.